If you've lost access to your Zelle account and cannot use your email, follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you regain access through alternative methods. Step 1. Contact your bank or credit union. Reach out to the financial institution that you use for Zelle. They often have dedicated support for Zelle-related issues and can assist you in recovering your account. Step 2. Verify your identity. Be prepared to verify your identity. This may involve answering security questions, providing personal information, or confirming your phone number linked to your Zelle account. Step 3. Use your phone number. If you have access to the phone number associated with your Zelle account, you may be able to receive a verification code via SMS. Use this code to regain access to your account. Step 4. Update your contact information. Once you regain access, consider updating your contact information. Ensure that your email and phone number are current to avoid future issues with account recovery. Step 5. Enable two-factor authentication. To enhance the security of your account, enable two-factor authentication if available. This adds an extra layer of protection and makes it easier to recover your account in the future. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Zelle account without needing access to your email. Always keep your contact information updated to prevent similar issues in the future.